Take the wheel shaft and fit it to the rubber wheels using the wheel fasteners. Make sure that the head of the bolt is fit towards the white side of the wheel disc and shaft is fit to the black side of the wheel disc. Before fitting the wheels, make sure the V shape of the wheel thread is facing towards the front side. To fix the handle arm, make sure the mounting bolt of handle seat is proper. After placing handle arm on handle seat, fit the flat washer and thereafter spring washer. Tighten the handle arm using locking handle. Take the handle and place it on the top end of arm. There are hexagonal slots on both sides of handle. Make sure the handle mounting bolt sits in hexagonal slot properly. On the other side, place the flat washer, after that spring washer and tighten it firmly using locking handle. To connect the tension spring of the clutch cable, the clutch arm is to be pressed downwards and fitted to its mounting bolt. After that, make necessary adjustments to ensure proper working of clutch operation. To fix the rubber wheels, once again ensure the V shape of the tire button is facing forward. Take the rubber wheels and fix it on the drive shaft. After that, match the holes of the shaft and axle in order to fix the pin and its lock. The right way of fixing the R-clip is by ensuring its center is seated on the pin. We should avoid fixing the last bend of the R-clip as it makes difficult to remove the R-clip. Before fixing the tailwheel height adjuster, please place the holding bush in its slot. After that, insert the tailwheel height adjuster in the holder and tighten it firmly with its tightening handle. To fix the tailwheel in the adjuster, fold the front stand and tilt the machine forward. Before fixing the tailwheel, make sure the position of tailwheel is as per the direction of machine usage. After that, fix the tailwheel in its height adjuster and rotate the hand crank clockwise to screw the tailwheel until required height. When received, soil breaker usually come fit in the reverse direction. Hence, remove the fasteners of the soil breaker and fit it in the right direction. Soil breaker ensures to break the soil that remains unpulverized between the right and left tines. Take the gear shifter rod and place it inside the handle holder clip. Place the coupler on the gear shifting lever and fix the shifter rod in the coupler and lock it with a linch pin. These butterfly fenders can be adjusted by using the adjusting knob. These fenders can be lifted to allow the soil earthing up happen easily. Take the rear cover and fix it to the rear of the rotary using cylindrical pins and quarter pins. To fix the fenders, first take the depression bars and fix the fasteners without tightening them. Then fix the fenders in between depression bars and main fenders. After that, tighten the fasteners. Remove the air cleaner mounting fasteners and take the manifold cover out. For easy fitment of air cleaner, remove the bottom oil bath bowl of air cleaner. Place the gasket on the inlet manifold. Over that, place the air cleaner and fix it firmly using fasteners. Then, fit the oil bath bowl to complete the air cleaner assembly. The longer side of rear rotary shaft should always be fixed to the drive shaft. The flat side of rotary shaft should be outward. For the rear rotary, all the right-sided tines are to be fixed to the right-sided shaft only. Similarly, all the left-sided tines are to be fixed to the left-sided shaft only. Each flange is to be fitted with 3 tines as in the fashion shown in the video. Fix them with the fasteners and spring washers. Similar to the rear rotary, the longer side of the main rotary shaft should always be fixed to the drive shaft, and the flat side of the rotary shaft should be always outward. For the main rotary, for each flange is fitted with 2 left-sided blades and 2 right-sided blades. Each flange is to be fitted with 4 tines as in the fashion shown in this video using the fasteners and spring washers. Take the protector component and fix it on the exhaust pipe of muffler and tighten the screw firmly. Place the machine on a level surface in order to fill the engine oil. Open the oil filler cap and fill with Vst genuine diesel engine oil of 1.2 liters using a suitable funnel. Check the engine oil level using the dipstick and make sure the engine oil level is in between high and low marks of dipstick. To fill the gear oil into transmission, place the machine on a level surface. Open the oil filler cap on the top side of main transmission and fill with Vst genuine gear oil of 1.7 liters using a suitable funnel. Check the gear oil level using the dipstick and make sure the gear oil level is in between high and low marks of dipstick. Lubricate the rubber o-ring of the oil filler cap for longer life. To fill the gear oil into the rear rotary transmission, place the machine on level surface. Open the oil filler cap on the rear rotary gearbox and fill with Vst genuine gear oil of 900 ml using a suitable funnel. Open the oil bowl of air cleaner and fill it with 100 ml of Vst genuine engine oil and fix the bowl back to air cleaner. To clean the cyclonic pre-cleaner, remove the wing nut that is located on the top of air cleaner. Remove the cap and clean the cyclonic pre-cleaner bowl using a fresh cloth. It is recommended to clean the cyclonic pre-cleaner every day. Place back the cyclonic pre-cleaner and its cap. Place the flat washer and spring washer on the cap and tighten it using a wing nut. To fill the diesel in its tank, open the cap and fill with high-speed diesel carefully into the fuel tank. Make sure we keep proper plane for the main clutch lever. The plane of clutch can be adjusted near the clutch lever as well as near the clutch arm. Rt70 transmission comes with 3 forward and 1 reverse gears along with neutral position. Please note that first and reverse gears are used for rear rotavator. Second and third forward gears are used only for single micro tilling operations. Rear rotary comes with 2 gear shifters. Longer gear shifter helps us to select faster and slower speeds of rotary as well as keep the rotary in neutral position. Shorter gear shifter helps us to select rotary directions either in positive or counter rotations. Before starting the engine, make sure that all the lubricants in the machine are up to the gauge and enough diesel is available in the fuel tank. Keep the gear shifter in a neutral position. The throttle lever should be in middle position and the clutch be disengaged. After all checks, to start the engine, press the decompressor lever to hold, pull the engine starting rope carefully. Ditching tines are used for earthing up operation. These ditching tines are shaped like a leaf. Due to this, soil earthing up happens easily and best suited for loose soils. These tines have left and right markings that help us to fit them in right direction. Always make sure the sharp end of the tines should be in forward direction of rotary rotation. This will ensure proper earthing up of soil. Soil lifting blades are used for ridging application. The soil lifting blades are wider than the regular cultivating blades. The rear rotary tines are used for cultivation and weeding purpose. The handle of Rt70 is very economical and adjustable. The handle can be rotated and fixed in any position of 360 degrees as per the requirement of application. The height of the handle can be adjusted to the comfort of the farmer. In order to rotate the handle, unclip the shifter rod and cables from the handle. Loosen the handle arm and rotate the handle to the required position and tighten the handle arm firmly. Fix the shifter rod back and clip the cables. Rt70 power weeder can also be used as front rotary. In order to dismantle the rear rotary assembly, please remove the 4 nuts and 1 bolt as shown in the video. In addition to this, also remove the bottom fasteners that joins the hitch and rear rotary brackets. Now, carefully pull back the rear rotary assembly from the transmission and place it in a safe place over proper supporting mounts. Close the PTO shaft with PTO dust cover and tighten the fasteners. To fix the hitch bracket, place the flat and cylindrical spacers along with flat washers as shown in the video and tighten it with fasteners. Now connect resistor bar using pin and lock. RT70 comes with front tines and cage wheel holder for transportation purpose. We can fix these tines and cage wheels to the holder using pins and locks. To use the main front rotary, unlock the pins and remove the rubber wheels. Fix the front tines and lock them with pins and locks. The width of front tines can be adjusted by removing the extension shafts of rotary.
Vst Rt70 is powered with a fuel-efficient 4-stroke air-cooled diesel engine. This engine provides high torque which helps farmer to complete tough tasks effortlessly and saves fuel with its fuel-efficient technology.